Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fishball sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need about 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Don't forget your aromatics, 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk to combine everything perfectly. Now, let's build the delicious flavor base for our sauce. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your saucepan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté it gently for about 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. This liquid mixture forms the core of our sauce. With our flavor base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the combined soy sauce mixture into the saucepan with the fragrant garlic. Stir continuously as you bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Once it starts to bubble lightly, gradually add the cornstarch slurry, whisking constantly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, glossy consistency. Continue whisking for about 1 minute until the sauce thickens beautifully. We're almost there. Once your sauce has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Now, stir in the fresh chopped spring onions. This adds a lovely burst of color and a subtle oniony flavor that complements the sauce perfectly. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasonings if necessary, perhaps a pinch more sugar for sweetness or a dash more soy sauce for saltiness. Serve this warm, delicious fishball sauce immediately with your freshly cooked fish balls. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.